Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Marginal external cost looks tricky, but this is quick if you focus on the relationship between social and private cost, then compare the graph carefully. Marginal external cost means the extra cost pushed onto others, not the producer. So watch this. We're looking for the gap that represents outside harm at each unit. Here is the key relationship. Marginal social cost equals marginal private cost plus marginal external cost. So the external cost is just the difference between those two curves. Observing the graph at any quantity, that vertical gap is 50 cents. So the marginal external cost is constant and equals option B. Well done. Option B. Scan now. Trap, signs, and rushing. Rule, trust given information and check the steps before choosing.